I, Pragya Naik, welcome you all to my channel. Today, we will discuss the principle of movement and some solved numericals. Hope you will watch till the end so that these fundamentals related to solving numericals will be solved. To principle of movements, the if the body is in equilibrium, then sum of this clockwise movement will be equal to the sum of this anti-clockwise movement. If question will be state principle of movements, if you are writing sum of the clockwise movement is equal to sum of anti-clockwise movement, this one will be a wrong statement. So this statement is must. So at equilibrium only the sum of this clockwise moment will be equal to the sum of this anti-clockwise moment. So now let us see that how this sum of this clockwise moment is equal to sum of this anti-clockwise moment. So let us take a pivoted body. Let this body is pivoted at O. Let this is the point. This one will be one end, another end, this one. Here, if no force is acting this side, only force will be acting this side. Let it be W1 and this one let it be at the distance L1. So the body will start rotating in the clockwise manner. So here this one will be clockwise moment. And if nothing is here, let it be this body only I am taking. This one is pivoted O. No force is acting this side. No weight is suspended here. And one weight is suspended this side. Let it be this one we are discussing here. And here let it be W2. This one at the distance L2. So the body will start rotating in that anti-clockwise moment. So this is known as anti-clockwise moments. Why the word moments is written here? So I hope you understand this one. So here it can be also possible. I am taking two forces. Let it be W1, let it be W2. Here this W1 is at the distance L1 and W2 at the distance L2. Here let it be W3. W3 is distance L3 from fulcrum. Obviously whenever it is we are taking you have to take this distance from the pivoted point. So here this one we have taken. Okay, so what is this one? So clockwise moment always from this side only, as it is weight is 2 weight here. So here the let it be sum of clockwise moments. So here I am using the word moments because 2 weight is here. So here this one will be distance L1 W1. Here this is the distance plus L2 W2. Okay, this one will be the sum of these clockwise moments. Here this one sum of anti-clockwise moment. Here one only there, that is why we can write this one is sum of this one is anti-clockwise moment. Here what is this one? So here this one will be L3 W3. So next what to write? At equilibrium. If the body is not at equilibrium, this this clockwise moment cannot be equal to that anti-clockwise moment. That is why we have to mention at equilibrium. At equilibrium, okay, this sum of this clockwise moment, sum of clockwise moments is equal to sum of anti-clockwise moments. Okay, so here what to represent? Here what we will write L1 W1 plus L2 W2 is equal to L3 W3. So out of this one anything will be missing or any data will be missing, we can find it out. So let us solve some numericals now. basing on this principle of moment. So this is 2019 question. Uniform meter scale is in equilibrium as shown in the figure. This is the figure. Uniform meter scale, so it is 0 end, this one it is 100 end, and it is pivoted at 30, means that one its name is given as F. Calculate the weight of the meter scale. First bit. Second, which of the following option is correct? Here two options are given. To keep the ruler in the equilibrium when 40 gram force is shifted to 0 mark. So this one is shifted to 0 mark. So F shifted to which end it is asked. Here, first of all, whenever such questions will be given, first step to draw the diagram. Then only whatever confusion, that one will be clear. So this one is 100, this meter scale. So here this one, this end will be 100, sorry 0, this end will be 100, and after that one here just mark 50. So this one will be the middle. Usually whenever this weight of this meter scale is asked, weight of the meter scale is at 50. But it is not pivoted. Pivoted point and weight, those are the two different things. They may coincide, they may not coincide. These things always you remember. So here it is pivoted at 30. So here this is the F it is written and it is pivoted at 30, and here at 5 it is 40 gram force is it is given. So here it is what is the weight of the meter scale? Here weight of the meter scale, it is always at the middle or at 50. Okay, so now according to the principle of moment, what to do? Here fulcrum is this one, right side to fulcrum, this one will be clockwise movement. Fulcrum, left side to fulcrum, that one will be anti-clockwise movement. How many will be there? Let us add that. Okay, so here let us go for clockwise movement. Here the clockwise movement. Here what is the clockwise movement? First of all distance, so here 50 minus 30 into W. So here this one equal to 20 W. This one will be equation 1. Then anti-clockwise movement. Here what to do? Again the same thing only. 30 minus 5. What children they make mistake? They always take it from 50. That is why only that is the greatest mistake they do. So here whenever it is pivoted, from there only you have to take the measurement. So 30 minus 5 into 40. So what it comes? 25 into 40. Okay, this one will be 2. At equilibrium, okay, the sum of clockwise moments is equal to sum of anti-clockwise moments. Okay, so equating 1 and 2, what we are getting? 20 W is equal to 25 into 40. So W equal to 25 into 40 divided by 20. So 2, this one equal to 40 gram force, 50 gram force. So this one, first of all we are getting, this one will be bit 1, weight of the meter scale. So weight of the meter scale is 50 gram force. You take the screenshot or you write down, then we will go for, I will drop this one and I will go for the next. Okay, so here what I am getting, I will go for the bit 2. What it bit 2 is given? Bit 2 is given, which of the following option is correct to keep the ruler in equilibrium when 40 gram force is shifted towards this zero mark. So from here it will go to here. So in this one previously was there, now it is going to 40 gram force will be attached to here. So what will be moments now? And here we got this one equal to 50 gram force. So one thing is that here 20 into 50. Here 20 into 50. Here we are getting. Here what we are getting? This one is 25. Here this one we are getting here 25 into 50. 40. So these two are equal. Now this one is going to change. This one is going to shift at this side. So here anti-clockwise movement. Let us find out this one. How to solve? Like that directly we cannot write, no? So let us know this. So anti-clockwise movement. What will be anti-clockwise movement here? So now it is not here. Now it has changed to this end. So this one will be 30 minus 0 into 40. So it is 30 into 40. How much it comes? This one equal to 1200 gram force. Whereas this one comes 1000 gram force. These two are not same. So what to do here? If the fulcrum will come towards this zero end, here it will come. Then length will increase and this one will be this both they will be same. Okay, so just to verify that one, let it be, we have done it. Let me go for this one. Let me see here at what point it should be there. So here distance should be x, this distance should be x. Now this distance is 20 centimeter. Now let me see here x. For our verification, now we got that this is going to at 0 end, but now this one is equal to 1200. Okay, so x equal to 120 by 5. So this one equal to 2, 20, 24. Okay, now it is 20. It will be 24. It is shifting here. Understood? So it will come to that. I hope you understand this one. It is shift. Point 2, it will shift towards, F will shift towards, F will shift towards 0 end. Okay, 0. Now this is another question. An uniform meter scale is balanced at 20 centimeter mark when a weight of 100 gram force is suspended from one end. Where must the weight be suspended? Calculate the weight of the meter scale. So I told first step, when you read this question, first step will to draw the diagram. So let me draw the diagram here. This one will be 0 and this one will be 100 and here it is 50 because weight of the meter scale will be at 50. Okay, so where it is balanced? It is balanced at 20 centimeter. Here this one equal to 20, it is balanced. Okay, when the weight of 100 gram force is suspended from one end, where must the weight be suspended? So this is a typical question where we have two ends. One end is 0 end, another one is 100 end. So it is written 100 gram force is suspended from one end. Either it will be 0 end or it will be 100 end. So for that, let me tell you one trick. So if we cannot understand, here you balance it like this. So imagine that one, this one is 50. It should be balanced at 50. If it is, I am changing the direction, means, fulcrum. Here I am changing the direction. 20 means it is here. So how it will be? This one is going down. This one will be going down. So if I apply the force, this case weight will be suspended this side, then only this scale will be at balance. Otherwise this one will be like this. I hope you understand. This one will be, it is going down. Clear? So this is the 0 end. I have to attach the weight here. This is the trick you have to remember. If it is changed to this direction, if it is changed to, let it be 80 it is suspended. So this meter scale will go this side direction. So to balance it at 100 end, we have to suspend the weight. So this is the trick to do it. So here for us this is 20 and it is going down at 20. So to balance it, what I have to attach the force, I have to attach the weight at 0 end. So here, so now this one it is at 0 end, suspended from one end, 0 end. This one will be 100 gram force. Here, what is the weight of this? It is given. So let us find out here. So then where must the suspended? So it is suspended at 0 end. First answer will be 100 gram force must be suspended suspended at 0 and or at 0 centimeter. This will be the first answer. Okay, then we will go for the second one. What is the calculate the weight of the meter scale? So this distance we will take, this distance we will take. So for this one we will let us write clockwise movement. What is the clockwise movement? Clockwise movement, I will take this one as 50 minus 20 because it is pivoted at 20 and it is the weight. 50 minus 20 into W. So I am getting 30 W. This is equation 1. And here anti-clockwise movement. Anti-clockwise movement. This side. So here 20 minus 0 into 100. So what I am getting? This one equal to 20 2000 to 20,000 here. This one will be gram force, unit will be gram force centimeter. Okay, this one too, here also the same thing. Okay, at equilibrium, because now body is balanced. Balance means it is at equilibrium. It is equilibrium. At equilibrium 30 W. So sum of this clockwise moment equal to anti-clockwise moment. 30 W equal to 2000. So implies W equal to 2000 divided by 30. So it comes 200 by 3. So 200 by 3 means it will be 66.66 like that. So nearly equal to 66.67. 6.67 gram force. So weight of the meter scale will be here. Weight of the meter scale, here you can write B2. This one will be B2. Weight of the, calculate the weight of the meter scale. Weight of meter scale is 66.67 gram force.